know food, but I just got here. My pants are already wet. Okay.
Are you able to get that? Because the loose skin is like a little less.
Nope. 6,000. How is it? Not bad though. Ah, that how was. You went down there.
What is that?
You know what? You only live one. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the hell? What the hell was that? Red! Red, don't leave me, Red! Red, don't leave me! Don't leave me, Red! Bro, I wanna go, Red, I wanna go. Wait, Red! Red, where'd you go? Red, take my hook shot, okay?
Going?
I'm gonna see you later. I'm gonna see you on the bed, Red, okay? Red! I'll see you in the foot. Red, it's my time. Red, it's my time to go. I'll see you, Red. I ain't going, Red, bro. I ain't going, dude. This shit ain't for sure, bro. Fine, you know what? Red, I have to go, bro. I can't be here any longer. Okay, I can't be here any longer. I'm just gonna walk backwards, okay? I'm gonna walk backwards, my eyes closed. Bye, Red.
Yeah, I'm stupid, but I don't really care.
Red? You caught me, Red. I'm bringing that so I can save y'all. I can save y'all lives. Bro, that is not for the weak. Bro, whatever you do, don't put the new map. It's not for the weak. I know.
Oh, I have one of the hardest challenges. I learned the hardest challenges made.
Yo, how the hell do you do this?
Wait, is this only if you buy the new thing? Boy, I'm gonna. Is this only if you buy the thing? I think it is. You don't have to buy it.
No, what type of Fortnite pass is this, bro? What type of pass is this?
I don't know.
Un resbaladero Animal Company.
Boy!
Okay.
Boy, speak some English.
Sell 50 items.
Ugh.
Oh, hell no.
Wait, I have to complete the whole thing for Cthulhu? You have to grind for Cthulhu?
Can someone help me sell 50 items?
You can't even... That's really cool, though. Bro, what the hell? You have to grind? You have to spend money, then you have to grind. Yeah, you can't even get this without paying. Like, this is why Animal Crossing. Dude, what? It's not clean yet. I'm short. I buy this. I get a
So
$1,000.
I'm gonna sell this.
I'm going to the new map.
Yo, Fred, I'm going to the new map. Meet me there.
Okay, I'm going to the map as well. I got a flashlight, I got a drill that I use sometimes. Yeah, that's all I have. Boy, no one asked for your opinion, bro. See it right on me. Open the door!
Well, I'm going to the new map. I want to see how much progress I have done.
I'm attacked by like 50.
Okay, can someone help me with my weekly challenge? I just have to sell 50 items. Doesn't matter what type of item. What the hell? What the hell is happening? No! Help me! Help me! Oh my God, I'm going to heaven!
Boy, you're gonna let me do this.
What the hell was that?
Red, come here, Red! Red, I bought a gun! Red, I brought a gun! Red, I bought a gun! We're going down there. We're going down here, guys.
What was that?
Red, we're going down here. Black, you're going first, because your existence is useless.
What?
Be careful. Guns out, guns out, guns out, one down.
Guns here, we got guns, we got guns, we got guns.
Pressure. No one has to be have guns.
What the?
Yo, these are new.
I want you breathe.
Like, you show up? Like, we're in real bathroom level with this. Oh no. You dead? Boom! Dead, he's alive.
What is that?
Yeah! They don't steal it! They don't steal it! Red, you got this! Red, you got this!
Revive me!
What the heck is your plans?
Please help.
Some plans?
Get on. What was that?
Help me, buddy! Quick, me, buddy! Help!
I'm coming. Get him ready.
My body! I should have brought something here. It's like all the way down there. So what is that?
I put it right in the corner.
Red, I'm back!
What the hell is it? Guys,
It's a... What is this? Oh,
I think I saw stuff.
I found the monster!
What the frick is this?
Who are you? What? What's this about, though? Oh no, Mom. Maybe that could catch the monster.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Got it. Got it.
Come on.
I'm scared to.
I heard something. All right. Oh!
I'm putting guns, gang. That's why I collected these guns. Is it so?
Oh!
Don't you say? Don't we? He's not there. I
You go.
his presence.
I'm going to my room.
Oh, look at this!
Close it.
Oh, shut up! I hear that.
1 out of 3. 1 out of 3, guys. We need to find all
Guys, the monster mimics people's voices.
Guys, I'm sacrificing myself. You take this, you take that, you take that. Matter of fact, I'm taking the light. I'm afraid of the dark still. Nah, I'm going back.
Cook. Someone.
Fred,
Hold
where
on,
are
there's
you?
texting me. Hold on, look, there's texting me. Look, there's...
Close the door. Close it. Don't open that.
Yo, Red, where are you, bro?
Shimmy me tippers! Shimmy me tippers!
Someone take this.
Back for me.
I'm out of here.
Yo, you're far, bro. I'm at the first room and the monster's camping the door. He's speaking like a human.
Who's going out there first?
Up well. Don't pass me the light. Whoa, pass me the light. Coco,
Yo,
pass me the
Fred,
light.
you are nowhere near me, bro.
I'm going out though. I'm going out though. Pass me the light. Pass me the damn light. Who wants to come with me?
Oh, green couch. At the end of the green couch.
Come on, me and the guy with the...
The green is like weird. It's knowing this abyss where there's a bunch of eyeballs and like stuff. Right, I get it.
You know?
There's a bunch of blinking eyeballs. There's this weird. Fred, I don't know where you are. I'm stuck in the first area and the monster's camping the door.
Good. I need to... Oh, I'm calling to save you. I got a gun.
There's a. I don't know how the hell I'm supposed to get to you, bro. UFO. No, I'm coming to you. Different number. 1116. Can't use any of my weapons. Dude, 85.
So, come on. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Good. Yo, what? Hello? 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 Don't come through the door. Okay.
I don't know what to do with this freaking thing, bro. There's an eyeball shooting lasers at me. Good truck. Thank you for trying to scare me. Wait, frog.
Dude, it's goddamn creepers. They're annoying.
What the twat?
I don't know the easiest way how to get up there. Like, and then Houston. There's a no Aryan spaceship, and they got him. I did nothing. Joe, come on. Happy. Thank you, dude. That's super. Dude, he's so annoying. And I'm messing up.
Flush a toilet.
Weave. Touching nothing, bro. Yeah, because you're not shooting while I'm pushy.
Okay, I see it's a time.
Going to kill him. Dude, I own those items. I own these items. What's that shit?
Right?
Jordan! Gonna kill this guy? Yeah. Yeah, kill him.
Casino.
Yeah, kill him. He's dead! He's dead. Don't worry about him anymore.
Are you coming to the tree?
You look at this cool revolver I found in the alien space. You choose like black bullets when it's empty.
I found this black revolver that shoots black bullets in the alien ship. And I have to use it to shoot these
Bullet and can't reload it. Yeah, you need the things from the what's this? What is this? Whoa! What is that?
Make a face.
We have your road. Nope. Was that 40? 45,000. Company coins, 27,000.
Excuse me.
This is a safe zone. Hey, can someone revive me, please? Please? Anybody? Please, can someone revive me? Please. Okay, my dog, that's my dog. That's my dog. Hey, can you revive me, please?
Don't know how. Thanks for reviving me. Very good person.
Is it like a little?
How do you get that? Oh, there we go. No! Spin!
I want it. I want it. I want it.
Yes. Yes! Oh, you need to pull them out. Like, yeah. Oh, you have them in your hands. You only have them in your hands.
Yeah, that's
It's not even letting me grab on them. Look. Grab and pull. I can't see. It's not letting me grab them. Oh, you only have it. You can't see it. It's not letting me even grab onto them. Dude, don't worry about it. What? I'm.
find somewhere else. I'll come by fire.
What do I do with this? Oh. Oh. Wait. Wait, what do I do with this? Oh wait.
There.
Onde Schwede?
I found a Schwede. Found a Schwede. Yo, Black.
No, this. I got it from that weird eyeball place. I don't know what to do. No, I'm good. I had to conquer my fear of heights to get this thing. Weird gun. Yeah. Wait, what's that thing? Wireframe gun. I got a wireframe gun. Huh?
Can you show me it?
Wow. Oh shit! Oh shit! What you want to say? Who's you doing what for the what? Oh my god.
Everybody say, hey, yeah,
Yeah.
I wanna
I probably joined the worst team.
The reason why?
Fucking Boost Team Champion. You're a
Oh my cornball. Oh my god, bro, these kids are dancing.
They love you, bro.
Sorry, mine.
Oh my god, I'm about to
Nah, she's gone.
There's one here.
Oh, someone killed me.
Don't be looking up.
Get back to me.
double kill.
Release the ghost. Active zero. Regret my actions.
Guess I got the love that I gave you. It's a
Guess what? Chicken butt. Not funny.
Oh, God. I believe. I believe.
Imagine you should block running.
wrong. Imagine being an idiot.
Kill 2 people before I die.
What?
Oh! Don't worry, I swear to God.
Stay alive, bro.
Stay alive, bro. You're right there, buddy.
I have nothing. Not even.
Why are you guys all going for me? Tony, what's my uncle? Bah! I'll kill them. Tony, what's my grandma?
I'm Jordan West with my grandma. Stay alive, bro. Stay alive.
Ah! Oh, someone's up here.